Hey space explorers, I am Luna, your junior astronaut, and today we ray blasting off on a super fun adventure across the universe. Whoosh, buckle your seatbelts. Because in the next 12 minutes we discover amazing facts about planets, stars, and even mysterious black holes. Ready to zoom? Let us fire up our imagination and launch into the first wonder, our very own home, Earth. Stay tuned, the journey has just begun. First stop, Earth. Did you know our planet is the only place we know of where water can flow like rivers, splash in oceans, and even fall from the sky as rain? Cloud. Earth is like a giant blue marble, about 8,000 miles wide, big enough to fit 13 million football fields, and guess what? Earth's gravity is the invisible hug that keeps us from floating away. Imagine jumping on the moon and feeling 10 times lighter. Here we stay grounded. Now that we love our home, let us hop over to its glittering sidekick, the moon, ready for some lunar magic. Welcome to the moon, Earth's glittery nighttime buddy. Even though it looks small, the moon is huge, about a quarter the size of Earth. Did you know a day on the moon lasts 27 Earth days? That means the sun takes a whole month to rise and set. Crescent moon, and guess what? The moon has no air, so sound can't travel. No boom if you drop a rock. Astronauts left footprints that could stay there for millions of years because there's no wind to erase them. Oh, and the moon's surface is covered in powdery dust called regolith, which feels a bit like fine sand. Ready to zoom farther? Let's blast off to the red planet, Mars. What surprises does the dusty desert world hold? Now we're on Mars, the red planet. Like a giant dusty playground, Mars is home to the tallest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, which is 3 times taller than Mount Everest snow. Imagine climbing a mountain that reaches into the clouds. Mars also has the deepest canyon, Valles Marineris, that could fit a whole city inside. And guess what? A day on Mars is just a little longer than ours, about 24 hours and 37 minutes, so you'd still be on time for bedtime. Scientists think Mars once had rivers and maybe even a tiny ocean, which is why they're searching for ancient microbes. Ready for a giant gas ball? Let's zoom to the biggest planet, Jupiter. Welcome to Jupiter, the king of planets. Jupiter is so huge it could hold 1,300 Earths inside. Imagine stacking them like Lego bricks. Its most famous feature is the Great Red Spot, a storm that's been raging for over 300 years, bigger than 3 Earths side by side. And guess what? Jupiter has 79 moons, including Ganymede, the biggest moon in the whole solar system. Larger than Mercury, Jupiter's strong magnetic field makes beautiful auroras at its poles, just like Earth's northern lights, but super bright. Ready to see some sparkling jewelry? Let's glide to Saturn and its dazzling rings. Here comes Saturn, the planet that loves jewelry. Its spectacular rings are made of billions of ice and rock pieces, some as small as a grain of sand, and others as big as mountains. If you could stand on one of Saturn's moons, the rings would stretch across the sky like a glittering rainbow. Saturn is also light. If you could place it on a giant trampoline, it would bounce. And it has 83 moons, with Titan being the biggest, shrouded in a thick orange haze. Imagine riding a skateboard on those rings. Whoosh. Next up, we'll travel to the icy twins of the solar system, Uranus and Neptune. Ready for a chilly adventure? Now we're chilling with the ice giants, Uranus and Neptune. Uranus is unique because it rolls like a barrel, tilted 98 degrees, so its poles point toward the sun. Imagine a planet that sleeps on its side. Both planets are made mostly of hydrogen, helium, and icy water, ammonia and methane, which give Uranus a teal glow and Neptune a deep blue sparkle. Neptune has the fastest winds in the solar system, over 1,200 miles per hour, faster than a race car, and each planet has a set of faint rings, like delicate bracelets. Cool, right? Let's warm up now and head to the center of our solar system, the blazing sun. Here shines the sun, our giant glowing ball of fire. The sun is a massive star that's 109 times wider than Earth, big enough to fit 1,000,000 Earths inside. Sun with face, it's so hot that its surface temperature is about 10,000 degrees F, hotter than any oven on Earth. The sun's energy powers everything. It warms our planet, makes plants grow, and even powers solar panels. Every second, the sun fuses about 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium, releasing a huge burst of light and heat. And guess what? The sun is middle-aged, about 4.6 billion years old, so it still has billions of years left to shine. Ready to look up at the night sky? Let's discover the twinkling stars that sparkle above us. Look up. The night sky is a glittering canvas of stars, each a huge ball of burning gas far, far away. Some stars group together to form constellations, shapes that tell stories. For example, Orion the Hunter looks like a bright belt with 3 stars in a line. Did you know the North Star, Polaris, stays almost fixed in the sky, helping sailors find their way? Glowing stars also come in different colors. Blue stars are the hottest, while red ones are cooler and older. And the twinkling you see isn't the star moving, it's Earth's atmosphere wiggling the light. Ready for something even bigger? Let's zoom out to whole galaxies. Whoa, that's a galaxy. An enormous family of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter, all dancing together. Our home, the Milky Way, is a spiral galaxy that's about 100,000 light-years across. That means even light, the fastest thing in the universe, takes 100,000 years to travel from one edge to the other. Milky Way. There are billions of galaxies out there, each with its own unique shape. Some are spiral, some elliptical, and some look like odd blobs. And guess what? Some galaxies even collide, creating spectacular fireworks of new stars. Imagine 2 giant swirls of glitter crashing together. Pretty amazing, right? Hold onto your helmets, because next we'll explore the most mysterious object in space, a black hole. Here comes the ultimate wow factor, a black hole. A black hole is a region where gravity is so strong that even light can't escape, hence the name black. They form when massive stars collapse under their own weight, squeezing all that mass into a tiny point called a singularity. Around it spins an accretion disk, glowing hot gas that looks like a fiery whirlpool. If you got too close, time would slow down and you'd feel stretched like spaghetti. Scientists call that spaghettification, but don't worry. The nearest black hole is far, far away, safe for our adventure. Isn't that mind-blowing? Let's wrap up our cosmic tour and share what we've learned. What an adventure! Space explorers. We've visited Earth, bounced on the moon, trekked Mars, rode the giant gas giants, swam through rings, chilled with ice giants, felt the sun's warmth, gazed at stars, zoomed across galaxies, and even peered into a black hole. Remember, the universe is full of mysteries waiting for curious minds like yours. Keep asking questions, keep looking up, and who knows, you might be the next astronaut discovering new wonders. If you love this journey, smash that like button, share with friends, and subscribe to Space Explorers for more fun space facts. Until next time, keep dreaming big and reaching for the stars. Cheerful music fades.